Good morning. My name is Joanna, and today I'm going to talk about the quality methods in healthcare. So, what exactly is quality improvement, also known as QI? Quality improvement in healthcare can help you improve your health services for individuals and population to increase the desired health outcomes with reduced costs. Quality improvement consists of systematic and continuous actions that lead to measurable improvement in healthcare services and in health status of targeted patient groups. Communicate your results. Quality improvement efforts should be transparent to your staff, physicians, and patients. Include the entire practice team and patients when planning and implementing QI projects, and communicate your project's needs, priorities, actions, and results to everyone, patients included. So, how do we benefit by implementing QI at Chapel Regional Hospitals? So, let's take a look at some benefits. Quality improvement in healthcare is important for basic reasons that enhance the readability of the patient's health condition. The patient is discharged from the medical practicing institute with an EHR that contains the history of the medical status of the patient, which is ultimately beneficial. The EHR of the patient reflects the health information of the patient to the individuals in the doctor's office. As per the individual requirements of the patient, QI helps in yielding better results. Quality improvement in healthcare lessens the time of healthcare initiatives. Quality improvement helps in consulting the concerned specialist. Quality improvements basics. A variety of approaches or QI models exist to help you collect and analyze data and test change. While it's important to choose a reputable QI model to guide your efforts, it's more important that you fully commit to using the QI process and good QI practices. Understanding and properly implementing QI is essential to a well-functioning practice and is necessary for any practice interested in improving efficiency, patient safety, or clinical outcomes. The QI process is grounded in the following basic concept. First, establish a culture of quality in your practice. Your practice's organizations, processes, and procedures should support and be integrated with your QI efforts. The culture of a practice, attitudes, behavior, and actions reflect how passionately the practice team embraces quality. The QI culture looks different for every practice, but may include establishing dedicated QI teams, holding regular QI meetings, or creating policies around your QI goal. Next, we determine and prioritize potential areas for improvement. You will need to identify and understand the ways in which your practice could improve. Examine your patients' populations, which could be to identify barriers to care, frequently diagnosed chronic conditions, or groups of high risk patients, and your practice's operation, which can include to identify management issues such as low morale, long patient wait times, or poor communication. Collect and analyze data. Data collection and analysis lie at the heart of quality improvement. Your data will help you understand how well your system works. Identify potential areas for improvement, set measurable goals, and monitor the effectiveness of change. It is important to collect baseline data before you begin a QI project. Commit to regular data collection. Carefully analyze your results throughout the project and make decisions based on your analysis. Finally, we communicate your results. Quality improvement efforts should be transparent to your staff, physician, and patients. Include the entire practice team and patients when planning and implementation of QI projects. And communicate your project's need, priorities, action, and results to everyone. When a project is successful, celebrate and acknowledge that success. Commit to ongoing evaluations. Quality improvement is an ongoing process. A high functioning practice will strive to continually improve performance, revisit the effectiveness of interventions, and regularly solicit patients and staff feedback. Spread your success. Share lessons learned with others to support wide scale, rapid improvements that benefit all patients and healthcare industry as a whole. There may also be challenges or cons of implementing a QI. So let's take a look at some. Some may be convincing people that there is a problem. Use hard data to secure emotional engagement by using patient stories and voices. Another one could be, if you do it, will it work? Convincing people of the solution. Come prepared with clear facts and figures, have convincing measure of impact, and be able to demonstrate the advantages of your solution. Data collection and monitoring system. This always takes much more time and energy than anyone anticipates. It's worth investing heavily in data from the outset. Access local system, train people, and have quality assurance. Projectness and ambitions. Overambitions goals and too much talk of transformation can alienate staff if they feel the change is impossible. Instead, match goals and ambitions to what is realistically achievable and focus on bringing everyone along with you. Avoid giving the impression that the improvement activity is unlikely to survive the time span of the project. Organizational context, culture, and capacities. Staff may not understand the full demands of improvement when they sign up, and team instability can be very disruptive. Explain requirements to people and then provide ongoing support. Make sure improvement goals are aligned with the wider goals of the organization so people don't feel pulled in too many directions. Tribalism and lack of staff engagement. Overcoming a perceived lack of ownership and professional or disciplinary boundaries can be very difficult. Clarify who owns the problem and solution, agree roles and responsibilities at the outset, work to common goals, and use shared language. Another challenge may be leadership. Getting leadership of quality improvement right requires a delicate combination of setting out a vision and sensitivity to the views of others. Quieter leaderships oriented towards inclusion. Explanation and gentle persuasion may be more effective. Securing sustainability. Sustainability can be vulnerable when efforts are seen as projects or when they rely on particular individuals. Side effects of change. It's not uncommon to successfully target one issue while also causing new problems elsewhere. This can cause people to lose faith in the projects. Be vigilant about detecting unwanted consequences and be willing to learn and adapt. Okay, so for my conclusion, quality improvement consists of systematic and continuous actions that lead to measurable improvement in healthcare services and the health status of targeted patient groups. While driving better value is important, quality improvement has a fundamental role in improving all aspects of quality, including the safety, effectiveness, and experience of care. All health and care systems should be seeking to improve these aspects of care for people using their services on a continuous basis. In healthcare, quality improvement is the framework used to systematically improve the way care is delivered to patients. Processes have characteristics that can be measured, analyzed, improved, and controlled. Thank you everyone for your time. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and I hope this gives you a clear mind on why we should implement QI in our organizations.